Hello, people on YouTube, and today is the second day of us doing affiliate marketing, and we will be using artificial intelligence to write blog posts, and then we're going to leave our affiliate links in those. So let's just take a look at our previous blog posts that we wrote with AI. So we were using two platforms. One was medium.com, the other one was Vocal.Media. So uh, as you can see, we have 9 views and we have 2 reads of our story. And on Vocal.Media, have to refresh, I guess. Well, I guess these guys are having some issues, so I can't see. Uh, Anyways, let's begin with our next blog post, right? So first we have to find a topic, but I've already have some topics on medium.com that I can put onto vocal.media. So that is what I am going to do. So let me just go onto the story just to see if I'm not replicating it. So I have 5 AI tools other than Chat GPT. I have 11 crazy AI tools. Supercharge productivity with this 5 AI tools. So I think I can write this one. Doesn't feel like it's much, but let's just copy this. G right prolong the blog post to 800 words. So now it's going to write 800 words, and we want more than 600 words because we post our blog post within the artificial intelligence, the futurism industry, and what happens is that it kind of needs more than 600 words to actually be published. So we just told ChatGPT to write 800 words so that we can, you know, post this on vocal.media. So we'll just wait for this to happen. I think it's done. So let's just copy this to here. Go to vocal.media and create a story. Start writing. 533 words. It's fine. What we're just going to do is write a few things. So I'm just gonna put this to 600 words, and then let's come back and post this. Okay. So now we're done with our blog post. As you can see, I just wrote 602 words. So I just added this last paragraph with some hashtags for searchability. Now we're just gonna go to Canva and we're going to create a thumbnail, or we can also go to a artificial intelligence tool which is Thumbly, and we can create thumbnails at the push of a button. I think now they have a wait list. They used to have. Oh well, I'm just gonna put my. So we're just gonna go to Canva. We do write a few thumbnail. Just gonna take the first one, customize, six AI tools, boost, productivity. 90, 80, 68, and 65, see, 80, and I'm just gonna be like, save. I'm just gonna change the color to red because red, save. I don't know, 40 hours a week. So I think this is pretty much it. I just download this PNG. So we also have to put all of these images. Sorry, just images. So I'm gonna put these images and then we can come back and post this. So we're done with our blog and now we're just gonna put our thumbnail. Our thumbnail. So this is a thumbnail. And we're just going to do save changes. Hopefully it won't cause any errors. And now we can submit it for review. We're going to put it into the futurism category with artificial intelligence for review. And now it's submitted for review, and we can always, edit it afterwards. But now it's in review. And if you guys like the video, please subscribe, like, also share this channel, and you can also do the 30-day blog post channel with AI to make money with me so that you can also reap results and just see it for yourself how good affiliate marketing is.